Here we have the Kookaburra. This is the rooftop mounted compressor, condenser and evaporator unit, making it a monoblock system all in one, compared to the other Coolabah items where they need a separate compressor, condenser and a separate evaporator system. Mounting this unit can be done via the sunroof. If particular truck manufacturers classify the sunroof as an escape hatch and prevent that sunroof being occupied, we can do a cut roof configuration slightly behind the sunroof and mount the system that way. The unit itself is made up of ABS plastic, comes with a 2-year warranty, and it is 3.2 kilowatts of cooling capacity and 750 watts of heating capacity, making it the most powerful unit in the Coolabah range. Why would someone pick this unit opposed to a Joey or a Koala? So if the underbody of your cab is too busy with other components, or if the cab sits too low to the chassis, along with the rear wall of the truck might be very busy, be that exhaust stacks, windows, intake stacks, even gantries that may be added in the aftermarket process, building the vehicle for a particular application. So that's where that leads people into the Kookaburra system. So up in the corner, we'll put up some install photos with the different fascias that we can utilize for the evaporator for the interior, giving it a very OEM finish, as well as how it appears on the roof in a sunroof configuration, as well as a cut roof configuration. So with the evaporator on this particular unit, obviously by its physical nature, it will be mounted on the roof or the ceiling lining of the interior of the truck. The controller in this particular unit is different to what you will find on the Joey and Koala unit. Its functionality is very similar in terms of scroll up to increase fan speed, scroll down to decrease, or scroll up to increase temperature, and then cycle through buttons for auto function, heating, cooling, or fan only. So its operation is very similar, but its configuration is different. The other thing to add with this evaporator, whereas the other units are fixed fan position or fixed flow position or vent position, this particular unit also has a swing fan. So that way you can swing the fan across the whole interior, opposed to just positioning it on yourself. Thanks for tuning into the Build Your Coolabah series. If you have any questions about any products covered in this episode, please reach out to us. All our contact details are on our website, www.coolabahdcac.com. Just head over to the contact page. My phone number and email address are there. Please reach out at any time.